Welcome to Saraswat International Academy, Ratavapi, Standard 7, English Medium, Subject Computer. Myself Simit Bausar. I am a computer teacher. Now I will teach you chapter number 1, part 2. Now continue. Richard Stallman. Name Richard Matthew Stallman. Date of birth 16 March 1953. Place of birth New York, United States. Invention free version of Unix and open source code. Special inspired the world for open source software. Now short description about Richard Stallman. Okay, Richard Matthew Stallman, often known by his initials RMS, is an American free software movement activist and programmer. He campaigned for software to be distributed in a manner such that its users receive the freedoms to use, study, distribute, and modify that software. Software that ensure these freedoms is termed free software. Stallman launched the GNU project, founded the Free Software Foundation, developed the GNU compiler collection and GNU Emacs, and wrote the GNU General Public License. Okay, now continue here. Richard Matthew Stallman, in short, is known as RMS. He is a well-known computer programmer. In the year 1970, he developed the free version of popular Unix operating system. He introduced the world with the open source software. The source code of open source software remains available with the software. This type of software is mostly available free of charge, and the code can be edited as per requirement. According to him, the code of software should be shared with the user. Okay, next, he founded GNU, GNU's not Unix, and Free Software Foundation. The program developed by him was available in GPL, means General Public License form. In GPL, source code was made available for everyone. The source code could be modified and could be shared with anyone without any cost. Initially, it was named as free software, but many misunderstood it for without any cost. Actually, the software was not free, only its source code was free with the software. So, to clear this misunderstanding, its name was changed to open source software. In the year 1971, he joined MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory as a programmer. He then formed a unique group of hackers community. Now next, Richard Stallman has many achievements in the field of computers, and he also has won a number of awards for his achievements. He is still working in the same field to achieve new heights. Okay, see, open source. Now next, Linus Torvald. Name Linus Benedict Torvalds. Date of birth 28 December 1969. Place of birth Helsinki, Finland. Invention Linux operating system. Special further developed open source software. Okay, now short description about Linus Benedict Torvalds. Okay, Linus Benedict Torvalds is a Finnish American software engineer who is the creator and historically the principal developer of the Linux kernel, which is the kernel for Linux operating systems and other operating systems such as Android and Chrome OS. He also created the distributed version control system Git and the scuba dive, logging and planning software Subsurface. Okay, now continue here. Linus Torvalds is a computer programmer, software developer, writer, and blogger. He laid the base of Linux operating system, the most used operating system in the world. In the year 1991, Linus Torvalds sent a message to thousands of users on a news group named as comp.os.minix that he is trying to develop a free operating system for 486 at computers and requested the users to help him in that. He received positive reply from thousands of programmers throughout the world, and with their cooperation he developed Linux operating system. Okay, now Linux operating system was developed by Linus Torvalds and with the cooperation of thousands of programmers of the world. Linus Torvalds is still working for making improvements in the Linux operating systems. Linux is a completely open source operating system. The source code of Linux operating system is available on www.kernel.org. Okay, now next, user can modify the source code as per their requirement. Many organizations throughout the world has modified its source code as per their need. They also have released their modified version with the new names such as Ubuntu Linux, Fedora Linux, Debian Linux, SUSE Linux, Red Hat Linux, etc. In India, CDAC means Central for Development of Advanced Computing in India has modified the source code of Linux and developed BOSS means Bharat Operating System Solutions Linux. The Indian BOSS Linux is freely available on www.bosslinux.in. Okay, now next one, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Name Lawrence Larry Page and Sergey Mikhailovich Brin. Date of birth 26th March 1973 and 21st August 1973. Place of birth East Lansing, Michigan and Moscow, Russia. Invention Google search engine. Special founder of Google company. Now short description about Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Okay, Larry Page and Sergey Brin are the CEO and president of Google's parent company, Alphabet, respectively. They met at Stanford University while studying for PhDs in computer science and launched Google in 1996. Now continue. Today, everyone is acquainted with Google search engine. Google search engine is used to search information on any topic on internet. Google makes possible to search text, image, audio or video on any subject in a moment. Larry Page met Sergey Brin at Stanford University while doing computer engineering. They together launched Google search engine in the year 1996. In the year 1998, they started Google company by investing 10 lakh dollars. Now next, in the year 2004, as the share of company made available in the market, Larry Page and Sergey Brin became millionaires. In the year 2004, Google's email service Gmail was launched. In the year 2008, Google's video-based service YouTube was launched. In the year 2009, Android operating system that became popular for mobile phone was launched. The head office of Google is at Silicon Valley in California. The main source of income of Google is the advertisement that are given on its different services. Larry Page and Sergey Brin are known as Google guys. Larry Page and Sergey Brin have been awarded with the many honors and titles. Okay, here Google. Now student, we will continue our next topic in part 3. Thank you.